last class. Arithmetic operators we have completed, and today we're going to start relational operators. Just save the name and you can use what we have saved in the last session. Right. See the relational operators first. We have a total 6 relational operators: less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equals to, and not equals to. Total 6. These operators returns true or false. True or false will return. True or false means, see for example, 5 is greater than 3. Yes, it is true. 5 is equals to 3. No, it is false. Okay, so one by one. Sir, so when to use all these things depends on situation. Greater than or equals to 3, it should be a greater or equal. Okay, combination of all these things. Now we are writing the programs one by one. So what is that first one? They will ask, check the person can vote or not. Only first time you need to write if block. This is comment I'm writing. Check the person can vote or not. Normally I'm taking that person age. Suppose 18 I am taking or 29 I am taking. If age is greater than or equals to 18, this is very important. If block we write like this, colon. When you press enter, it will take the tab space automatically. Tab, or you can give the tab. Please don't write from the beginning. Tab, print yes can vote, else print cannot vote. Indentation is very important while writing the Python programs. Remember, here it is, I am taking the value directly. I'm taking the value directly. See, the person can vote. If I take the value is 12, the person cannot vote. The person cannot vote like this. Sir, I just want to read. Okay, no issues. We know that. Print enter age. Enter age. Taking. And we discussed all these things in the last session. Take the input, which is in string format. We need to convert the string into integer format. So this is the conversion method. We are collecting that and we are printing. This is the way. When you run the code, enter age, now it is expecting 12. It cannot vote. Please, once again, I am telling this indentation is very important. When you write the code, please check this indentation. All examples we are doing in the same flow. Now I'll show you the multiple examples. I'll show you the multiple examples. So what are those? Simple. So here, this is what greater than or equal to I used. Total how many? Total how many? So this is completed. Suppose one example, I'm using this one. Okay. Now here I'm just using this one. Simple. Check the two numbers equal or not. Check the two numbers equal or not. Check two numbers equal or not. So we ask enter two numbers. The first one into A, second one into B. The two numbers I have taken. Now if both are equal, if A equals to B, both are equal means double equal. Remember that. right? Yes, both are equal and both are not equal. So when you run the code, look at this. Enter two numbers 12 and 10, not equal. Just change this. Please try to write your own. If not getting, then look into this place. Do this. Just read the two numbers. If you want to give the prompt here directly, you can give. In the last class we have seen. So quickly do this. If you can complete, then only I can move to the next one. Along with relational, logical also we need to complete today. Nice. Okay, now I'm just checking that number is divisible by 3 or not. Now arithmetic also will include. I'm divide any number with 3. So if remainder equal to 0, if remainder equal to 0, reason is what? Yes, 3 times. 3 times. Suppose if I divide 8 with 3, only 2 times, na? Remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. For example, here it is a 7 with 3. Remainder is 1. Means what? When you divide any number, with 3, if remainder equals to 0, it's divisible. If remainder is not 0, it's not divisible. So here, condition based on remainder operator, very, very important, not division operator. So, I'm taking that number. First, normally I'm taking. Check the number divisible by 3 or not. First, take the number. Number equals to integer of input. I'm taking directly here prompt also. Easy na? Single line. If the number mod 7 or mod 3 is divisible by 3, if remainder equals to 0, yes, divisible by 3. Else, not divisible by 3. Else, not divisible by 3. Enter number C. Do it quick. Now, I'm just including logical operators also. Logical means 3. Logical AND operator, logical OR operator, logical NOT. Sir, AND operator means all should be true. OR operator means at least one should be true. NOT means just opposite. If it is true, it will give false. It will false, it will be true. If I explain one example, you will understand. Check the person is a teenager or not. Teenager or not. Teenager means what? Starting from 13 to 19. 13 to 19. So we ask enter age. 13 to 19 means is greater than or equal to 13, less than or equal to 19. Age. So age greater than or equal to 13 and. If you don't use and, greater than or equal to 13 means 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 also will come. 20, 22, 1000 also will come. That's why you should control with less than or equal to 19. Yes. Teenage. Sorry. Not a teenage. Like this we can do. No, we can't use between. Between actually we are using in SQL concept. Okay, na? In between we can use in SQL concept. Do this. Try. 4 I will tell. Just single digit. Check the number is single digit or 1 digit or 2 digit or 3 digit. Okay, that's easy. Check the number is single digit. Single digit means enter the number n. It is in between 0 to 9. So n greater than or equal to 0, n less than or equals to 9 is a single digit number. And here it is not a single digit number. Not single digit. Like this. When you run the code, if I give 23, it's not single digit. Sir, it is 2 digit. I just want to write for 2 digit 10 to 99. Sir, 3 digit is 100 to 999. Now I am checking the PIN number is a valid PIN number or not. PIN number means always we enter 4 digits PIN number only. 4 digits means greater than or equal to 1000 and less than or equal to 9999. This is yes. ATM PIN number is valid. PIN number is a valid PIN number or not. Please do this. This is during the output only. Na? Whatever the output you enter at runtime, those values only will come here. That's it. See, you are writing the condition is a PIN number. Na? Suppose ATM PIN number is always 4 digits only. Phone number is always 10 digits only. Whenever you are writing that phone number, right, how you decide? Here you need to again ask what is the lowest value and what is the highest value. But it never happens in real time. Sir, range also I only decide. Okay, remove this. What is the lower limit and what is the higher limit? That you only decide. Again, you only ask what is the lower limit. Enter lower limit. Enter lower limit. And what is the higher limit? Enter higher limit. Enter higher limit. That's all. But actually in real time, these type of things will not come. PIN number also you enter, lower limit also you enter, higher limit also you enter. So if 234 is in between 23 and 567, yes, it is valid. Else it is not valid. But don't use. We never use in our entire life like this. Okay, right. So now only we discuss today if else using all these things. Tomorrow we almost complete all conditional using where to use if, where to use if else, where to use else if else, nested. All examples we will complete by tomorrow. And once conditional complete, then we will move to loops concept. Okay, you can leave for today.